To close your Revolut account in 2025, follow these steps. 1. Open the Revolut app. Open the Revolut app on your phone. 2. Go to Profile. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. 3. Access Settings. Scroll down and tap on Settings. 4. Select Account. Under the Settings menu, choose Account. 5. Find Close Account option. Scroll down until you find the Close Account option. 6. Follow the instructions. Revolut will guide you through the process to close your account. You may be asked to confirm your identity and resolve any outstanding balances or issues, such as pending transactions. 7. Transfer remaining funds. Before closing your account, make sure to withdraw or transfer any remaining funds to another bank or wallet. 8. Confirm closure. Once everything is set, confirm your account closure. The account will be deactivated and you'll receive a confirmation notification. If you encounter any issues during the process, you can always contact Revolut's customer support for assistance. Important notes. Make sure all transactions are settled and no pending payments are left. If you have a subscription to any Revolut services, like Premium or Metal, make sure to cancel them before closing your account to avoid any further charges. Once you complete these steps, your Revolut account will be closed and you'll no longer have access to its services.